Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore two examples where we are required to find the area of a particular shape called parallelogram. Okay, so first of all, this particular formula make use of the fact that as long as we have the base and the height, where the base is one of the length in that parallelogram, and the base and that height is perpendicular to one another, all we have to do is to multiply the base and the height, and we could find the area. So step 1, given this particular example, I'm going to focus here, would then be to identify which pair of base and height we could use. So in this case here, since we are given 5 and we are also given a perpendicular height of 4, all we have to do is to multiply 4 by 5 and we will get the area. Yeah. So the area here will be equals to 4 or 5 multiplied by 4. 20 cm square. So with another example here, do notice that if I choose this to be my base, then I need to make sure that the height that I'm using has to be perpendicular to the base. Yeah? So you could see that this 12 and the 3, base 3, is perpendicular to one another. Okay? And to make it even more obvious, actually if I were to shift the 12 in, the 12 could also be represented inside as well. Yeah? So in this case here, the area is therefore equals to the base 3 multiplied by the height 12 to give me 36. In this case, cm square. And this video is a quick example of how we apply the formula to find the area of a parallelogram. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.